Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to activate reading mode on the following device. At first you have to slide down the upper bar, find and select reading mode icon. Just click, and from now on you are in reading mode, so all the display is black and white. So this is the colors. You can also personalize this mode, so let me switch it off for a while. So you can switch it off the same way, simply slide down the upper bar and unclick reading mode. So if you would like to personalize it or to schedule it for some particular apps, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to display, and under night mode you will notice reading mode. So open it, and as you can see here, you can pick the apps in which this mode will be automatically activated. So just tap on plus icon, and here you can pick, for example, let me pick community or messages. Obviously you can pick some app in which you are able to read documents or books, so whatever you are reading you can add it here. You can also add some mode settings, so you can block peak notifications while this mode is on, and also you can activate it here manually just by tapping over here, and then you can switch it off the same way, so just click here. And that's it. As you can see, reading mode optimizes the display of screen and text, making the reading experience as comfortable as possible, and now you can simply use it whenever you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.